BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 112 of season 3. Today's word is breakthrough. Breakthrough means an important discovery or development that helps to improve a situation or provide an answer to a problem. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word breakthrough. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Breakthrough is spelled as B-R-E-A-K-T-H-R-O-U-G-H. The word breakthrough expresses an important event that helps to solve a problem or improve the situation. For example, using fingerprint analysis in the field of crime investigation was a major breakthrough in the 17th century. Listen carefully how we can use the word breakthrough in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. The newly launched drug for the treatment of diabetes is a breakthrough in the field of medical science and will benefit millions of patients globally. Moving on to example number 2 of 8. The cold drinks were earlier sold in glass bottles. The use of plastic bottles for selling the cold drinks was a breakthrough in the field of sales and distribution. Example number 3 of 8. You must have seen or visited an ATM. Till a few years ago, people used to stand in queues at the banks to deposit or withdraw cash. The implementation of ATMs was a breakthrough in banking services and it facilitated efficient customer service. Wow, don't you agree? Example number 4 of 8. In 1957, Russians launched the first artificial satellite in space. 4 years later, a Russian astronaut went into the space by a spacecraft. This was the first breakthrough for the space mission and it gave a thrust to space programs of other countries. Learn to speak English fluently and confidently from any part of the world from our certified expert trainers. To know more about our online English speaking courses, log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. The whole town was shocked to know about the murders of an elderly couple. After a week of detailed scrutiny, the police announced a major breakthrough in the investigation. They had tracked the location of the prime suspect through his mobile phone. Let us understand example number 6 of 8. Maganlal was running a shop selling sweets. He was doing average business. Once, he set up a small stall to sell freshly made Indian snacks near the entrance of his shop. This was a great breakthrough for his business and it increased the overall profitability. Example number 7 of 8. In 1954, the first kidney transplant was carried out successfully. This was a phenomenal breakthrough in the field of organ transplant. Don't you agree? Moving on to example number 8 of 8. Sheba was unable to clear the interview for a public service examination twice. She watched several videos about interview techniques and realized that she lacked the required verbal communication skills. She worked diligently on this and got a breakthrough in her next interview. Today we learnt the word breakthrough, which means an important discovery or development that helps to improve a situation or provide an answer to a problem. Can you frame 3 sentences with breakthrough and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 112 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be publishing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.